Gates open, that up and racing El Bimbo, Temptress, Holy Minstrel in between runners, moving up, Home Run Babe, Sunshine, galing, while Wilcos Case running by the rail, trailing them as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight, now working to the 3/4 mile pole, Temptress running on the outside, Holy Minstrel, then running by the rail, third wheel, Koski, moving up alongside, galing, moving up now to take Peep, Home Run Babe, El Bimbo, and Sunshine as they move towards the back. Holy Minstrel running on the outside to take the lead, Temptress shuffle back in second, galing, now racing in third, Wilkoski in fourth, Home Run Babe moving up on the outside is entry number 6, Sunshine, El Bimbo now in behind them, rounding at the last 600, Holy Minstrel, galing, now running in second, Temptress, moving up Wilkoski as they race at the last 450. Holy Minstrel is still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Galing, moving up now by the rally, Sunshine as they turn for home. Sunshine now takes up the running. Holy Minstrel drops back in second. Galing, Wilkoski with 150 to go. Valdelema on Sunshine by about 5 lengths. Wilkoski now in second, and finally Sunshine, Wilkoski. Then comes Holy Minstrel, Home Run Babe, and galing for your Pentafecta.
63514 ang ating